Stop scrolling, because I'm about to reveal if you can really get paid just for reviewing your favorite spots on Google Maps. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Can you directly earn money from Google for writing reviews? The short answer is generally no. Google doesn't have an official program that pays everyday users for their opinions on places. However, that doesn't mean your review writing skills are worthless. There are a few indirect avenues we need to explore. First, be wary of websites or services promising direct payments from Google for reviews. Many can be scams. Always do your research before offering your services. One legitimate option is to offer your services as a freelance reviewer to businesses. Many businesses understand that good reviews are essential. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized marketing agencies might have clients looking for individuals to write compelling and authentic reviews for them, although this is much less common than other freelance writing gigs. The key here is transparency. If you do get hired to write a review, make sure you're following the platform's and Google's guidelines, and always disclose that you are compensated for your review. Authenticity is key, and misleading reviews will damage your credibility and could even get you banned from Google Maps. Also, look into local rewards programs. While it's not directly from Google, some local businesses might offer loyalty points, discounts, or other perks in exchange for leaving a review on their Google Maps listing. So, while the dream of easy money from Google Maps reviews might be a myth, your writing skills are valuable. Freelancing and local rewards programs could be ways to monetize them, but remember to always prioritize honesty and transparency. Good luck.